Hello, and welcome to the introduction to the laws of nature and intelligence. To start with, it's important to keep in mind that in the laws of nature, when you call something a law, that means a phenomenon can be observed in every instance of occurrence. Unfortunately, we don't find that in human law very often. People find ways to get around the law of matter. Can't do that. So, but nonetheless, there are laws which govern intelligence, and since science is heading in that direction, and so is the culture. A lot of people talk about human interaction in terms that physicists use, being on the same wavelength, someone having gravitas, or a lot of mass to attract a large amount of attention to a given person. Stumbling around with struggling to express the relationship between a person or persons. And now this has been a struggle since the dawn of civilization. Man has always struggled to get along with other individuals, groups of individuals, between groups, and even civilizations themselves. And science has always, or the real relative issue with science is that it can bring about, from observation, a universal understanding of given observations you might make. So, but as we found out at the dawn of technological civilization, that you might be headed towards universal understanding in terms of the technologies that evolved and whatnot. But as we saw from the wars that have broken out and killed more people during that times, probably than the whole of man's existence altogether. Technology has its darker elements and issues, but I don't think it's because of technology itself. I think it's because of the lack of technology, our lack of scientific understanding, and the biggest one is within ourselves. We don't understand too much about ourselves, and so by understanding the mind and how it works, and whether or not there are laws which govern its function universally, is potentially a solution to problems like that. So, to start out with, we might look at what intelligence is. Is there a universal definition?